Welcome to Florence! My name is Arianna Giovannini from Lionard Luxury Real Estate and I'm here today to show you one by one the beautiful apartments inside Palazzo Serristori. And now follow me upstairs on the piano nobile of the Palazzo to visit the apartment number 9. This apartment has a private balcony overlooking the Lung'Arno, the windows on Piazza Demidov and also another area on the back side of the palace. Apartment number 9, overlooking the Arno. We have an internal surface of about 250 square meters and it covers an entire wing of the palace, overlooking Ponte Vecchio, Piazza Demidov and also the city center, also thanks to a terrace of about 8 square meters. The property is located on the main floor with an independent entrance that can be reached by a lift. And this large room with customized armoires, probably hiding secret passages for the servants, will be your next living room. Here we can also admire a terracotta stove and beautiful ceilings, fully decorated. And the master bedroom of the apartment number 9 is a masterpiece. Let's have a look. We have 3 large windows, 2 of them facing the south side and 1 on the west side. You can have a look at beautiful sunsets from your bedroom. Behind me, a white marble fireplace. And now let's have a look up at the ceiling with beautiful golden frames and stuccos. Both of the smaller bedrooms have beautiful marble fireplaces and decorated ceilings. The bigger one has a beautiful view of the Lung'Arno and the second one faces the opposite side of the building, on the back. And this room will be transformed into a beautiful kitchen with 2 balcony doors leading to the private terrace overlooking the city center. And this is the view that you can enjoy every day from your kitchen. And welcome to the main atrium of the palace. This is the main hall with beautiful majestic columns. This will be a common area for all the apartments, such as the garden right here and the basement. You can reach the basement from the ground floor and there will be a wellness area with spa for all the apartments. This room is pretty decorated, not with frescoes, but with beautiful effigies from the 15th century by Della Robbia and also with the coat of arms of the family Serristori. As you can see here, many members of the Serristori family were ambassadors on behalf of the Medicis in every part of the world, and they occupied the highest civil and political offices, including that of priors of Florence, as evidenced by the 15th century coat of arms in Pietra Serena, still visible right here. And we are now in the private garden of Palazzo Serristori, approximately 3,000 square meters of beauty right on the Lung'Arno. This will be a common area for all the apartments and it will also include a swimming pool and a parking area. And this monumental staircase leads to the piano nobile, the most prestigious one, and also the floor that is home to the largest ballroom of all Florence. Follow me. And here we are. The wow effect is guaranteed. This large ballroom, the most prestigious of the city, will be a common area for all the apartments. This room dates back to the 1600s, when the palace was extended under the guidance of the Medici architect Buontalenti. It has a surface of 250 square meters in area and 12.5 meters in height. This is the end of our tour. Thank you for your time and I hope to see you soon in Florence.